Hello everyone, and welcome to my art and cooking channel. I have a little quicker video today of my Azure Standard haul. As some of you may know, I've been really sick, and the last couple months I've not been able to pick up an order. So I did get some things for July and then got sick again. So here's a little snapshot of that. We also have a very strict diet for my daughter, anti-inflammatory diet. So some of these things are hers, starting with this huge bag of cherries. I love their dried cherries because that's all that's there. There are no preservatives. It's no sugar, no anything. It's just dried cherries and they're nice and soft. So I took this large bag and I divided it up and vacuum sealed some smaller bags so that once we opened one, we could sort of ration those out. And I just made some cookies recently, some spelt cookies that I used these in, and they were so tasty. So maybe I'll do a video on that. My daughter likes to use this refresh spray on her face. She says it works really well. So just giving you the back of the bottle there, so you can check that out. Grabbed a applesauce here. I like this North Coast Organic. It's not the cheapest thing in the world, but for an emergency sort of applesauce on the shelf. And then I was getting low on vanilla extract, and here my daughter's sticking her hands in there. She likes to do. Anyways, she's 17, so I don't know why she thinks it's funny. But anyway, some Vital Wheat gluten. I put about a quarter cup of that in my bread recipe that I use. Everything else is freshly milled. I noticed they put this card in here. It must be for a book there. And they always include the sales flyer for the next month that you're picking up, which has some interesting articles and things in there. You can give that a good read. They're dehydrated, or not dehydrated, freeze-dried sliced strawberries. I got 2 large bags of those. Actually, and I also broke down these, opened one of the bags, and they were a little soft, so they weren't crispy. So we were a little disappointed, and I'm going to have to throw those in my dehydrated to crisp them up again. But I did vacuum seal smaller packages of those. And I got a couple jugs of honey there, which is nice. It comes in their canning jars, so you can reuse those. This is a new product. These are kind of like the Fig Newton bar of, of Azure Standard. So I got these not for her because she can't have these because of all those ingredients, even though they're decent ingredients. There's still ones that she can't have. So I got these for my son to throw him to lunches. And we'll have to see what the verdict is on that. I don't think we got any cold things, any cheese or chicken stuff, or and I didn't get any wheat berries this time because I've got plenty right now. But anyways, like I said, quick video, just popping in just to show you what I got. Azure Standard, I think it's a great company, and you can check out their website, and I'll leave links below. Hit like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.